Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. A question that has been on the lips of many folks, especially our clients that have been coming into Thailand here more recently, especially processing in under special tourist visa status, is do you think there's ever going to be a border run again? And this comes up in the context of the special tourist visa because special tourist visas, if you look, are affirmatively precluded from converting or changing status in Thailand. So those that seek a special tourist visa, be aware that when they came into being, they made it clear that you get that amount of time exclusively. And a special tourist visa can be used for as long as 9 months, but understand, unlike certain other visa categories where it may be possible to change status, special tourist visas are a one-off. You can get 9 months out of them, but it is not a foregone conclusion by any stretch of the imagination that you can convert it. You can change status in Thailand, which then poses the question, or in some cases begs the question, is there any possibility border running will be coming back anytime soon? And for those who are unaware, I'm sure most of the regular viewers of this channel are well aware, but border running is the practice that was happening a year ago and prior, where folks, if they had, for example, a tourist visa, they were running out of status, they might run over a border, spend an hour or so across the border, and then travel back into Thailand, get more status that way. This was a very common practice, especially the last roughly 20 years. A lot of people use border runs to maintain status in Thailand. The question is, will this return? I think ultimately it will. I don't think it will look very much like the process of border running looked prior to all of this lockdown, etc. The other thing is I do not think that it will be particularly, it will not look exactly like it did. And then the big question is when will it come about, if ever? It's not a foregone conclusion as to when this is actually going to occur. So 9 months out, we're sitting here in January, you're looking at, September, October of 2021. I mean, I was telling people back in the middle of 2020, into the year, second quarter, or into the third quarter, we should be looking at, things kind of resuming. That did not come to pass. I definitely stand corrected on that. So I am now hesitant to speculate about anything about visa policy or immigration policy that far out into the future. So 9 months away is a long way off. We can't really say for certain exactly what the situation will be. But long story short, what I think will probably happen is, yes, it will eventually come back, although I can't say exactly when, and we will not see a border run regime that looks like, I think it's safe to say we will not see a border run regime that looks anything like what it looked like prior to 2020.